Good afternoon, student. Now we are going to discuss about give short answers. First one, what is the constitution? So you want to write what is the constitution, who will be form the constitution, all of them. And second one, what is the mean by citizenship? What is the mean by citizen? The position or status of being the citizen of the particular country. And third one, how many types of the fundamental rights are listed by the Indian constitution? So how many types there? 6 fundamental rights is, you want to write it in the 6 fundamental type. And next, what is a right? So you want to write that what is the right command. And fifth one, what are the classical language in India? So what is the language will be available in India? That all the language you want to write along with the years. And fifth one, what is the national emergency? So what is the national emergency in form? Who will be or amended that laws, all will be on right. And seventh one, list out the 3 heads of the relation between the center and states. Next, answer in detail. First one, explain the salient features of Constitution of India. And second one, point out the fundamental and rights. Okay, what is you want to write? Find out the fundamental rights. So 6 fundamental rights there. So what are the article we are using the fundamental rights, along with you want to write in this question. And third one, write briefly on the right to the constitutional remedies. What do you want to write? Write briefly on the right to the constitutional remedies. And fourth one, mention the difference between the fundamental rights and directive principles of the state policy. What do you want to write? Differentiate between the fundamental rights and directive principle of the state policy. Thank you, student.